Welcome to the Course Demand Report overview. Let's get started. This report provides a comprehensive picture of course registration, historical enrollment patterns, and student-based course requirements to support course offering decisions. Using these histories of students taking various classes of interest, we aim to offer a data-informed path for predictions or expectations about how many or what proportion of each class will need various course sections during an upcoming year or term. Admission data are also integrated to provide information on the size of incoming classes. There is continuing work on the projection of seats needed for future terms or years, which is expected to be a part of this report in its next iteration. This next version of the report aims to assist faculty and/or staff in forecasting the needed number or type of course sections by demonstrating the timing of student registrations in specified courses and showing the composition of students by admit status and cohesive cohort year at SU. Here are some overview notes to help you as you jump in. The first two report pages present data based on selection of cohesive cohort group, which is defined as a group of students enrolled in the same term of their nth year of studies at SU. This is different from class level, such as freshman, junior, or sophomore. Here's an example to help explain the cohesive cohort year. Here, we have two students who both entered in fall 2020. Since they've entered at the same time, they're in the same cohesive cohort year. The academic year has just finished, and both are now moving on to the next year. However, both students have performed differently. One student has finished 50 credits, while the other has finished only 15. This means that while they are in the same second cohesive cohort year, their class levels are different. One would be considered a sophomore, while the other is still a freshman. It's important to note that a student's class status may not always reflect their cohesive cohort year. The course registration and composition in selected courses pages use cohesive cohort group data. Both pages are limited to show data from cohesive cohort year 1 to year 6. Data beyond those years have been excluded and may affect percentage totals. The counts of students in these reports are distinct. Students affiliated with more than one major or program within a particular school would only be counted once at the school level. If that same student has a major in two different schools, that student would be counted in both if the counts are per school. For counts at the departmental level, students who have a major in two separate departments, regardless of whether they are in the same school, will be counted twice. The historical data in this report are refreshed after each term's 10th day census, while active students data is refreshed daily. For more information, look at the Course Demand Report page on InformSU. The course registration page helps users answer the following question. Among all students by the cohesive cohort year, enrollment term, and admit status, how many of them registered for the selected courses and how many did not? This page also has a quick lookup table of registration rates by their start year and enrollment year. Two main tables in the center of the page list the percentage registered students and percentage not registered students among total students by cohesive cohort group and selected courses, respectively. This reference table can also be used for registration rate quick lookups. Data and other visualizations will be filtered to show students based on what was selected. There are several slicers here at the top of the page. Slicers applied on this page will also apply to the Composition in Selected Courses page. The Composition in Selected Courses page can help users answer the following question. For a given course, what was the composition of students in that course by admit status and cohesive cohort year? This page is designed to help with course planning given existing enrollment patterns by identifying during what year students normally take a specific course. Percentages are now calculated by dividing by all students who registered for selected courses on the 10th day instead of by total enrolled students. This reference table is synced through slicers with the course registration page. Slicers applied on this page will also apply to the course registration page. The Course Requirement Fulfillment page provides a narrative for students' course fulfillment, which informs whether students have completed their course requirement. This page is designed to identify individual students who still need to take selected courses. Application data are also integrated to allow users to check whether incoming students have fulfilled their course requirements. The data on this page are refreshed daily. This section provides a narrative for students' course fulfillment. Students who registered in current term or registration terms are considered currently registered. If students ever receive credits for selected courses, They are considered received credits regardless of if they retook the same courses in later terms. If students did not receive credits, their most recent record will be pulled if they took the same course multiple times. Students could receive credits from either institutional courses or course equivalency, such as test scores or transfer credits. The course requirement fulfillment in the main table can be filtered by the following steps. Click to open the filter pane on the right. Click on the table to bring up filters. Drag to resize the filter as needed. Click on the course requirement filter. Add a filter text of your choosing, and finally click on Apply Filter. Applied slicers are not synced with previous pages. This page provides a glossary of both Power BI and report-specific terms, along with a list of report release notes. We hope that this helps, and look at the report training page, manual, glossary, and infographic for more information. For any questions, don't hesitate to reach out through informsu@seattleU.edu. Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview, and good luck!